Hello everyone, welcome back to the abandoned shifter cart build, and today I actually ordered some parts that I'll be able to put on. I got some spindles, some bearings, and so I could get the tires on today. However, I might need some screws for these steering rods, but I believe that I can make some pretty good progress. Now, I know it's been a while since I actually worked on this because I've been busy with other projects, and I've been struggling really hard to find the correct spindles, but I got in contact with the original owner, and he gave me the correct size, so thank you for that. And so it got a little dirty. We put it under a tarp and stored it away so it won't get no rust or messed up, but it's a little dirty, but I'm going to clean it off after I'm able to get most of it built. We wanted to make sure that no sap or anything from the trees got on it. It's all clean, still in working order, and let's get into it. The camera died, so I gotta open it up this way. Then here is the bearings, which I already opened them up to make sure they was the correct sizes. I got 4 of them for the front 2. Okay, now it's time for the tires. So it's been a couple days and I finally got the screws that I need for these tires. So I'm going to put them in. The original plans for this cart was to actually put a motorcycle engine on it. However, the prices of motorcycles on Facebook Marketplace was too expensive, and I also wanted to do something unique. So instead of going to do a dirt bike, I was going ahead and going to do a Predator. So it'd be unique and see how much power we could get out of it. So instead of using a centrifugal clutch, I'm actually going to pull out and use a torque converter. When we ordered it, it was already put together halfway. We got instructions as well, but we don't need those. Probably not. So this is actually the mock-up. So here is the front tires all in place, and I got the back tires right there. And we had the back tires measuring. It's going to take about a 38-inch long axle with a keyway threaded on both sides. But thinking about putting the engine right there on those somehow, and then just weld up a mount down here under the engine. So I'm going to order some stuff, but so far, this whole cart looks epic, especially with the back tires mocked up on it. So I'm really happy with how the torque converter turned out. Whenever we had the other go-kart, the old torque converter that was on it wasn't really working. It wasn't wanting to expand or shrink, so the belt would just keep getting eaten up. So we got a new torque converter, and that works 100 times better than the other one. So I believe that the belts won't be ripping as much. So I can't wait, because I know that a lot of people use centrifugal clutches, but for big chassis and tires like these, you're going to need a torque converter, in my personal opinion, because they're a whole lot stronger and they help with acceleration. So that's just that's just my personal opinion. But I do know that centrifugal clutches work best on mini bikes and really small frames of the go-karts. So well guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I know it's pretty short, but this is really all I can do so far. But I'm going to order parts, so in the next episode, I could get the axle, the sprocket, the brakes, and possibly some of the stuff ready to be put together. And hopefully, in the next episode, I can start welding on the engine mount. We got this thing mocked up pretty good. I believe that it's going to work, and I believe it's going to look so sick after we finish it. So stay tuned. It's going to be exciting. Man, I can't wait to ride this thing. Hopefully the 212 Predator engine is powerful enough to pull this chassis with the big tires and everything, but I believe it will. And it's off-roading tires, so it should be good in the dirt. I might have to get a new air filter for the engine as well, because it's ripped. But well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.